Is WunderCool really the ultimate summer lifesaver? It's advertised to be, or just another cleverly marketed gadget trying to cash in on the heatwave? GetWunderCool.com has been making big waves online with flashy ads and bold promises about a compact, all-in-one portable air cooler that claims to cool, humidify, and filter your air for the perfect indoor environment. On paper, it sounds like the kind of device everyone wants during the scorching months, but when you dig a little deeper, there are a few things worth paying attention to before hitting that buy button. The website's domain was only registered in 2024, which can sometimes indicate a short-lived or seasonal operation. There's no About Us page, no company background, and no way to verify who's actually making or shipping the product. The marketing is relentless, using fake countdown timers, pop-up messages about recent purchases, and urgent stock warnings, all classic tactics designed to push impulse buying. The product descriptions are vague, offering little in the way of technical specs, cooling capacity, or maintenance details, which makes it hard to know if it actually performs as claimed. Even more telling is the complete absence of verified reviews on Trustpilot, YouTube, or reputable consumer forums, something you'd expect to see if this product were genuinely popular or effective. While the concept of a portable cooler that also humidifies and filters sounds great in theory, the lack of transparency and independent feedback leaves a lot of unanswered questions. If you're thinking of trying WunderCool for yourself, the product link is tagged in this video, but stick around until the end, so you know exactly what you're getting into before spending your money.